Software development. High demand for developers skilled in languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java, with expertise in web development, mobile app development, and back-end systems. 2. Data science and analytics. Analyzing data to derive insights and make informed business decisions, requiring proficiency in tools like Python, R, SQL, and machine learning techniques. 3. Digital marketing. Specializing in SEO, SEM, social media marketing, and content creation to help businesses increase online visibility and drive sales. 4. UI/UX design. Creating intuitive and visually appealing user interfaces and experiences for websites and mobile apps, utilizing tools like Adobe XD, Sketch, and Figma. 5. Content writing, copywriting. Crafting engaging and persuasive content for websites, blogs, marketing materials, and more, demonstrating strong writing skills and SEO knowledge.